one.
Here with the Chevy 2500HD. If you have a Chevy 2500HD or GMC, you got to get side steps because the truck's so tall. These ones go down nice and low. They're called NFab. They match the truck color, textured black. Looks really good on there. Heavy duty, strong construction, and they have an expanded step plate. We also do these bed covers. Look at these. Super sleek, low profile. I can stand on this thing. It's aluminum, hard folding, and then you can flip it up in a few seconds. You go out to your truck. When you lock it with your tailgate, it's secure, and it has a pull cable here. That's what unlocks it. It uses this rail system to lock it. Flip, flip. You can drive with it here with this buckle like that. You can go up one more time. Full bed access. Drive with it like this. We specialize in bed covers. This one you can load up your whole bed. You can take it off. If any water gets inside, it has drain tubes to keep the water out. And then each time you fold it, it locks. When you're ready for a truck bed cover, side steps, truck access plus, we get it done for you.